You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the order of operations. The final result is 2,028,000,000. Let's solve it step by step. Calculate the expression inside the parentheses. Simplify exponents and square roots. 10 to the power of 9 equals 1,000,000,000. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 2.53 times 1,000,000,000 equals 253. Simplify exponents and square roots. 10 to the power of 8 equals 1,000,000,000. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 5.02 times 1,000,000,000 equals 5,020. Calculate any addition or subtraction, from left to right. 2,530,000,000 minus 5,020,000 equals 2,028,000,000. And so the final result is 2,028,000,000.